See, it just gets stuck. Zane, why don't you ride your sled down? Zane, go on the track, sweetie. It won't work that way. The snow's too deep.
Go, Zane. Go. No. No.
Guys.
Stop.
Zane, please don't touch her.
Go. It's run that way. Backwards.
Put the handle in the front.
This?
Yes. Just like that.
Sit on it.
And sit down.
No.
Lily, you need to be fair. Don't touch him either. Well, Zane, sit back. Get your butt back a little bit.
I can't do it. Come on, buddy. Mom.
Just stand up.
What's Steve doing?
I don't. It's smoke coming out of the chimney. Zane, stand up, hun.
Stand up.
Get your butt on there. There you go. Okay. Pull those feet up. Don't be afraid. Pull up your feet.
What's this, Mom? Mom, what's this?
That looked like fun. Oh.
I need a towel.
Did you get snow on your hands?